The foundation of this company really started with Cause and Effect, the success of Cause and Effect Foundation, where we were able to raise about $1.5 million in less than 45 days and build a community of 18 million people. The learnings, the key findings and insights that we got out of Cause and Effect Foundation is fundamentally the base for Iridium Interactive. Over the last decade plus, we decided to remain small. We had many opportunities to be acquired. Many of the large digital companies globally wanted to acquire us, but we opted to stay small, stay focused, and stay hungry. And the success stories, the innovation awards, and the creative awards, and the technology appreciations that we've been receiving is just a testimony that we've been on the right path. When we started off, the challenge was that there was no fixed methodology nor a kind of a time-tested formula. And we had to really create a blue ocean, and in fact we had to wade through the blue ocean strategy that we created for ourselves. When the client gives us a brief, it's mostly at 100,000 feet that they kind of share their vision and share their aspiration, and they tend to really give references to some of the successful models. Like they say, hey, I like this in Google, I like this in Yahoo, and this is what I like to do and all that stuff. So it's more a wish list that comes through, and what we really do is to translate that wish list into an action. And the method to the madness, as we call it, really is we put together a roadmap, and then we put together a kind of a wireframes or a kind of a temporary structures. Like in construction, you put something with the scaffolding and all that. So we put that together, give a quick idea to the customer as to what we are really going after, and then put the right engineering and the technology behind it, and then start doing the digital marketing piece of it. It is execution that really matters here, and we are ruthless in execution, and the ability with which we kind of translate these ideas to reality is what differentiates us.
We started with a team of 4. We built block by block, grew inch by inch, and today we are about 150 people across the offices. Sometimes we have challenges with 4 different geographic locations, average age of the company fluctuating. But since the organization is flexible, we manage these challenges without much chaos.
We invest in constantly training our people in process, increase their productivity, abilities, and then prepare them for technology transitions and improvements. Most customers have a requirement to reduce risk, cost, delivery time, and build systems which can support their future needs. Our delivery is agile. We break large projects into smaller pieces, okay, and then it becomes easier for us to handle and manage the projects. At the same time, customers can feel, touch, and improvise the systems. We thank our clients for what we are today, okay. Working with clients like Stanford University have enabled us to constantly improve our methodologies and processes.
So the key challenge over here is understanding what clients say at 100,000 feet, and I play the role of step-down transformer, breaking the client requirements into bits and pieces so that developers, the programmers, and designers and the marketing guys understand it and deliver it in the right way.
Successfully delivered a product, CRM product, with 1 million users worldwide. Currently leading a team of product engineers at Google.
I've been with Iridium for about a year and a half now. What drives me and motivates me to stick around is the kind of chaos that's created, is the kind of various avenues that I work with, the diversity and the culture within the organization. There have been times when I've had breakfast with a not-for-profit, I've had lunch with a large banking sector. In the evening, I could probably work with a healthcare firm, and in the night, I work with a large business school, international business school. So that's kind of variety and the diversity that's there, and it creates a lot of chaos. And this is what challenges me, and the kind of support system, the kind of environment that we have to grow is amazing with an organization, and that's why I love to work here, and it's amazing.
Having worked in the banking industry for more than half a decade, and with the international exposure that I've received, what motivates me the most here at Iridium is the diversity and variety of work we get to do.
I'm from the art background, It took me some time to understand the meeting point between art and technology. My art background along with the technology has helped me to chart into various areas like mobile, e-learning and social media.
I have worked with Google for past 6 years, and it's been fun. It's fun, like training. We have lots of free lunch and stuff like that. I now wanted to be a part of the innovation rather than being a part of the execution process and on an eternity. But this is what I feel is challenging, and that's why I've joined Iridium.
The best part about being an Iridiumite is that we do not follow a structured hierarchy here. Any person in the organization is free to go ahead and talk to any other person, and they can get the required information and get their query solved. Apart from that, this really motivates me to work better because I get to interact with a lot of other people from different domains, and that is the reason which makes me perform better on a daily basis as well.
I am formally trained as a QA engineer, and I have been working with Iridium since more than 5+ years. Looking at my people management skills, I have been given the responsibility of handling more than 15+ clients across 3 continents.
Having started from a cyber cafe few years back, today we would have transformed around 300+ clients across 3 continents. We strongly believe in going beyond the call of duty. Awards and recognition is only a testimony that we are in the right direction. Our core philosophy of user experience-led design has differentiated us from the rest of the pack. Given 10 hours to axe a tree, we believe in sharpening our axe for 8 hours and cutting the tree in one.
As Charles Darwin rightly quoted, it's not the strongest, swiftest and the most ferocious who survive, it's the most adaptable who survive the best. As an organization, we believe in flexibility because we believe we are defining policies for people and not machines. We believe in the success of teamwork rather than individual heroic activities. So every team member is provided the equal and right opportunities so that they could improve and grow up as effective leaders.